Today I'm drinking a cocktail called the Bainbridge. It's created by Matt Pietrich, again of Cocktail Wonk fame. Hello there, I'm Anne, the home bartender.
And I'm Greg.
And this is my channel. He's my amazing assistant today. He's going to try the cocktail with me. So hang out for a second while I talk about the book. Matt's book is called Minimalist Tiki. I have shown you this book before. I made the cherry blossom out of this book. That is a fabulous cocktail, by the way. Check that out. I have a video for that. So when I look through this book, I'm always attracted to Matt's original cocktails the most. I find them pretty easy, and they're always really a great flavor profile, pretty easy to make. So Greg and I are going to taste this one for you now and tell you what to expect from this cocktail.
All right.
Greg?
My eye! Oh. Well, I'm back. All right, there you go.
He's back, everybody.
It's very good.
What do you think?
I think it's a great blend of the, I guess what really comes forward is the pineapple and the Angostura flavor, kind of split by the rum and the Angostura Amaro. It's very well blended.
It is a really nice, smooth, easy summer type cocktail. Although I made it a lot this winter, but yeah, that Angostura, that Amaro Angostura is a perfect bitter and sweet combination. It's really great. If you haven't tried it, you really should. And then we'll use the Angostura 7 moderately aged rum in today's cocktail, so it's Angostura all the way. And yeah, it's just a really nice, great sipper. The Orgeat is really creamy, and the almondy flavor does come through. I really like it. It's a great cocktail.
I think it's also something that you could, if you shook it and put it in a coupe with little ice crystals on it, it could really pass as a winter drink as well. It's just got a great flavor to it.
Yeah, that's a good tip from Greg, the other home bartender.
That's right.
So
from the other side of the camera.
Yes. So let's go through the ingredients for you guys and show you how to make this coming up next. Okay, for your information, today's cocktail is on page 219 of the Minimalist Tiki Book, which is this one here. Let's get going. Let's shake this one up. We're gonna start with a ½ ounce of Orgeat, a ½ ounce of fresh lime juice, a ½ ounce of pineapple juice. We're going to get 1 ounce of Amaro Di Angostura. I think this is the perfect Amaro. It's totally a mix between bitter and sweet. It's really great. Then we're going to use Angostura 7. It's a moderately aged rum here, although I think a Bacardi 8, which is a little bit longer, would be a great sub. But this is Angostura's rum, so why not? Get some ice. Actually, I already have some ice in my little tin here. We're going to shake this up. In Matt's book, he says, let's strain it into a pineapple glass, but I'm going to use my Don Ho little glass here because I don't have a pineapple glass. But if you have one, put it in there. Otherwise, a double rocks is going to be just fine. Then let's get some ice in there. We're going to use 1 pineapple frond, 1 cherry on a bamboo cocktail pick, just like that. That's cool looking. That's the Bainbridge. I think this cocktail must be called the Bainbridge because Matt is from Seattle, and Bainbridge is an island off the coast of Washington, one of the islands that I haven't actually been to yet. You probably didn't even know that Whitco Art and furniture makers started in Seattle. If you don't know who that is, give it a Google. It's really super interesting. They started, tiki carvings basically in Seattle. It's really great history. Tiki's not just about cocktails and totems. It's about artists who started a movement in the 50s. It wasn't just California. As a matter of fact, it was Washington and Oregon who put carving and tiki bars on the map. It's artists like Matt Pytrek that further the movement and bring in new and exciting things. He's a busy guy with all the Rum Ambassador stuff, book writing, and blogging on his website, but I'm glad he had the time to create a great tiki and tropical cocktail. And the book is amazing. If you haven't gotten this book yet, you really need to get it. I haven't had a cocktail out of this book yet that I didn't like. So all the credit for today's drink goes to Matt. Thank you, Matt. I really appreciate you. That's it for me today. Come back and see me next week at my home bar, and I'll teach you something else that you might not know. I have over 130 videos now. Please check out the playlist coming up. There's something there for everybody. And thank you so much to my husband, Greg. Cheers, Greg. I really appreciate you and all you do for the channel. See you next week. Be well.